Hello everyone and welcome in this video where I will explain you how you can manage your daily operations with Barcode when you have multi-locations. In general, when you use the Barcode app, you need to keep in mind that the order in which you will scan the information really matters because the system is expecting for specific information. And to guide the user to know what needs to be scanned, there are some instructions inside the Barcode app that need to be read carefully. About the source and the destination location, how can you manage them in the barcodes? It's important so to understand the sequence in this case as well. That's why I will start with some reminders. On a transfer, you have a main source and a main destination location. You can deviate from this main location by going to the detailed operation, and there you can choose a sub location of these main locations. But how does it looks like for the different type of operation and with the barcode? So when you are on a receipt and you use the barcode app, the ID, and it's the same in a transfer in the backend, is that you won't touch the source location because it's already defined, it's the same for all the product. So for example, the source location will be the supplier and you will receive some products and you will store them to different locations. So in terms of barcodes, you will just scan the barcode and then scan the destination location. For an internal transfer, there are different possibilities for the source location and the destination location. So you have the main one that will be, for example, the zone A, and for the source, and the zone B that will be the main source location for the destination. And inside this main source location, you can have different possibilities. When you use the barcode app, you will first say where you are. So you will say what is the source location, for example, zone A number 2. Then you will say which product you have in your hands, and then you will move it to a specific destination that could be, for example, zone B number 3. So it will be scan the source location, then the product, and then the destination location. When you are on a delivery, a bit like for the receipt, you don't need to specify the destination because it's the same for all the products. You just need to say where you have taken the product. So in which source location you have taken the product. So you will first scan the source location and then the product. But let's check that in Odoo more practically. So I have here my barcode scanner and I have prepared for you two different receipts. The first one here have product with some put-away rules set on it. And on the second one, there is no put-away rules, so I have to define my destination location. So in this case, I go to my barcode app, to operation, received, and I will open the first one that has put-away rules. So if you remember, in a receipt, so I don't need to scan my source location, I need to first scan my product, and in this case, the destination location has been already set, and you don't see the WH/stock because it's common. So it's the main source, a main destination location for both. So it just specify the sub location of this main destination location. So in this case, I will scan so first my product, that is product number A. Then I scan my destination, and so for that one, it's done. And here I can scan my product B and then my zone V. Everything has been done and it's fine. So I can validate my picking. For the second receipt, so it's that one. So you see that it's not anymore the WH stock slash a specific destination. I need to specify it. So I will need first to scan my product. For example, I will scan twice my acoustic block screen. And if you read carefully the instruction, you will see, okay, so scan a product. So I can continue to scan my product, or I can scan either a package or destination location. In this case, I will scan the destination package a destination location zone A, and you see that it has created another line to split my quantity, because probably because I have scanned two times my product and then destination. Now it's not waiting anymore to a destination location, it's waiting again to scan a product. So I can scan again my acoustic block screen and do the 4 units that left, and then say that for that one it will be uh, the zone B. And now I finish by scanning my large cabinet, and in this case it will be zone A. Everything has been scanned, and you can see that really you need to scan first product, then destination location, and you have multi locations for the destination. You have to really say first, for example, these two, then destination, then the 4 units that left, and then the destination. Like this, you have two lines that are split. It is different and improved in V17. So I validate my picking. Now I just would like to show you that from my home page, I can easily move one product from one place to another one. So in this case, I would like to move my product that is called just product C. And for doing that, you can see here that if I scan a location, I can create an internal transfer to from this location. So in this case, I will scan my source location, that is zone C, zone C1. I will scan then my product. You will see that the source location only appears when I have scanned my product, because before that, they don't know what needs to happen. So I can scan several times the source before scanning finally my product. And then I scan my destination location, that is zone C2. So source C1, destination C2, and then I can validate. So you can easily do immediate transfer from the home page by just scanning the source location, then the product, then the destination. Now I have another things to manage is a delivery. I have for Anita two products to pick, my pedal bin and my cabinet with doors. So can confirm it, and you see here that I have my delivery, that is the number 34. So I can go back to my barcode, and even I think that in this case I'm in 17.2, so I can take back the information from here. And if I scan here the reference of my transfer, it will directly open it. In this case, you see something interesting. It can happen very often that the operators um, miss-scan, I would say, the source location and just or skip it and scan directly the product. So you can make the source location as mandatory. So you can see here that I'm not able to scan my product. I have to first scan my source location. This is possible to enable from the operation. So if you go to operation type, then delivery, you have a new tab from V16 that will help you to say what need to be mandatory scanned. For example, the source location or the product, a lot cell number, and so on. But there is another video that goes in detail about it. So now go back to my barcode to process my delivery. So that was that one. And I will scan first. So my source location, that is here it was zone B, in fact. So I take my zone B, and you see that now he has highlighted the zone B and is ready to scan a product from the zone B. So now I can scan my cabinet with doors. Everything is fine, and I can start now to scan another location. So either I scan more product, either I scan a new source location. So in this case, I'm in zone C1. So I look for my zone C1. I have here the barcode of my zone C1, and I will scan my pedal bin. But imagine that Maybe you have some pedal bin in another location than that one. So in this case, you could decide to, for example, scan here my zone A. So you will split the line, and I can continue to say that now from the zone A, I've taken two other pedal bin. So if you scan another source location, it split the line and help you to to scan from different, to pick from different location for same product. Yeah, don't need some SMS. I can just cancel it. So that's it for this video. But you have seen that really the sequence and even more for location is really important, and it's the same for the package. The system is waiting for specific information, and as soon as you have understand the sequence, it will really be easier. And when you have some doubt, just take the time to read carefully, either from the home page, either from here you will have always some helpful instruction that guide the user. Have a nice day and see you in another video.